With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. The question says, the bottom of a cooking utensil is painted black. Give the reason. Okay. So why should it be painted black? So we know that black color is a good absorber of heat, right? Black color is a good absorber of heat. So the heat from fire is absorbed by the black color and transferred to the utensil easily, right? And the utensil gets hot faster and hence food is cooked faster. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.